Hi guys, so I'm really excited because I just received this wall storage cabinet for viewing purposes. You can see it comes really well protected with lots of foam, which is really nice. And here we have the user manual, okay, with all the information about the storage cabinet, how to assemble it, all the parts. As you can see, the steps, which is really nice. And it comes with all the pieces, as I've said, really well packaged. Another thing that I find quite nice is that it comes with all the pieces that you need to assemble it. It even comes with some gloves, a screwdriver, and all the nuts, screws, bolts, and everything you need to assemble it, as I've said, which I think it's really nice. So, well, let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it looks and how it works. Come on.
Okay guys, as you can see, the installation is actually really easy. You can do it just by yourself. It doesn't take that much long, and it doesn't need any special tools. And you can see when it's installed, it looks really nice. It has a really nice size, and it has a really nice load bearing capacity, which I think is excellent. It also has this shelf which you can adjust the height however you like it, which I think it's really nice. And it has these hinges that opens up to 90 degrees.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. You can close it or open it with this set of keys that comes included, which are really nice. Okay, when we open it, we can see that it has these automatic supports, so it doesn't fall down onto you. We have a lot of space, which is really nice because it can support a lot of weight. And what I think it's also really nice is that it comes with these little hooks that you can attach to it on all the sides of it. And you can a shelf, so you can just place it in, which is really nice. You can customize it however you want, leaving much space where you need it, which I think it's really nice. You can place all kinds of stuff in there, which is excellent, so you don't have to worry if you forgot to place something or you don't have a space. It's really nice. It has a lot of support, and the hinges are excellent. As I've said, they automatically open up. And it's really nice, and overall I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.